All right, folks, what's going on? Mr. Brunsvold here. All right, so hopefully you've had some time to try to label the axes for the second graph and give it a title. Um, so let's just watch the video one more time. Um, okay, now you can see that this graph looks similar to the first one um, as we look at this, but one thing that's different is it goes down to 1 and it goes back up to 3. And it's kind of more of like a straight line in between the points. There's less curve to it. So what could they be modeling for this one? Well, as you probably guessed, there's still the input is still time. That's still your what's going on the x-axis is time. And that's really going to be true for all of these problems on this project is the x-axis is time. It's the y-axis that's different. So try to see if you can figure out what's something that stays about 1 feet apart and maxes out at about 3 feet apart? Well, if you think about it, um, it's actually the distance from one hand to another. It maxes out at about 3, and at its lowest point, it looks like it's about 1. Um, and so that's what we're looking at for this one. Again, we're measuring that in feet. Okay, and so then once you have your title for your y-axis and your title for your x-axis, you can use that to write the title for the graph. Distance from one hand to the other versus time. That's what we're modeling in this graph. So hopefully that gives you some sense on how to label these graphs, and that'll help you when you're doing this on your own in the later part of this assignment. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.